If your WordPress site is starting to feel sluggish or cluttered, it might be time for a cleanup. And today, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to tidy up your WordPress installation safely and efficiently. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to boost your site's security, improve performance, and free up server space, all without breaking anything important. Let's dive right in. First things first, before making any changes, it's essential to back up your site. Think of this as your safety net, like having an undo button if anything goes wrong. Backing up means making a complete copy of all your website files in your database, the very backbone of your WordPress site. You can use a trusted plugin like Updraft Plus, which lets you back up and restore with just a few clicks. Or if you prefer to do things manually, most hosting providers give you the option to download your files and database from your hosting control panel. If you're unsure, take your time here. Double-check that your backup has finished and is stored somewhere safe like your computer or a trusted cloud drive. Don't worry if it takes a little while, the peace of mind is worth it. With your backup in place, it's time to remove unused themes and plugins. Even when they're deactivated, these can still be vulnerable to security threats and will eat up server resources. It's kind of like leaving old appliances plugged into the wall. They might look harmless, but they're still drawing power and could cause trouble. Head over to Plugins, then Installed Plugins in your WordPress dashboard. For any plugins you know you're not using, hit Deactivate. Once it's deactivated, a delete option will appear. Go ahead and click that to remove it completely. For themes, the process is pretty similar. Navigate to Appearance, then Themes. You'll want to make sure that you have at least one theme active. WordPress won't let you delete an active theme, so switch first if you need to. Then click on the details for any theme you want to remove and look for the delete link in the bottom right corner. Cleaning out themes and plugins is a really simple way to improve security and keep things tidy. Alright, next up, let's tackle the database. Over time, your site's database accumulates a lot of unnecessary junk. Think of old post revisions, spam comments, or those pesky expired transients that just take up space. You could comb through all this manually, but it's much safer and faster to use a plugin like WP Optimize or WP Sweep. Once installed, open the plugin settings, say under WP Optimize Database, and you'll see options like cleaning up revisions, removing trashed comments, and deleting expired temporary data. Don't worry if you're not sure what every option means. Hovering over the plugin explanations can help, and it's best to stick with the recommended options if you're unsure. For the advanced users out there, you can also use phpMyAdmin for a manual approach, running commands like optimize table. But and this is important, editing your database directly should only be done if you know exactly what you're doing, since there's no undo button if mistakes are made. Now, let's optimize your media library. Images and unused files can silently fill up your server and slow down your site. I recommend starting with compression. Plugins like WP Optimize include built-in image compression, or you can use dedicated tools like TinyPNG. This keeps your images looking great but takes up a lot less space and loads much faster. Then tackle unused files by heading to Media Library. Look for media that isn't attached to any page or post and isn't in use anymore. Feel free to delete these to free up storage. If your library is huge and it's hard to know what's what, you might appreciate a tool like Media Cleaner that can scan and help automate the process. And if you host large files like videos or podcasts, consider moving them off your server to platforms like YouTube or SoundCloud, then simply embed them back on your site. This tremendously lightens your hosting load and keeps your WordPress install lean and healthy. And there you have it, a cleaner, faster, and more secure WordPress site is just a few steps away. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or something wasn't clear, just drop a comment below. I always read and reply to your questions. And remember to subscribe for more practical tutorials to help you get the most out of your WordPress site. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your website cleanup.